another episode of 7-Figure Product Series. In this YouTube exclusive series, we are going behind the scenes to show you what 6, 7, and 8-figure brands are doing on Amazon. We're breaking down top selling products that are generating 6 or 7 figures per year, and we're physically ordering them, reviewing the packaging, the actual products, the listing, the websites, and more to give you the insight so you can start or grow your online brand. Now, before we dive into the product that we have for you guys here today, if you could do 3 simple things that take 3 seconds for me, it would help the channel out huge. Number 1, hit that subscribe button. Number 2, click that notification bell. And number 3, give this video a like if you find any value whatsoever. Now, today's product is a small product. It's in small packaging. However, don't let the size fool you because it's packing a huge profit. Today, we're going to be revealing the Esco Light 51 LED UV flashlight. Now, I didn't even know that people bought these things or what you use these things for. However, you're going to be shocked at how much revenue people in this category are making. Before we unpack this and see what's going on inside, let's head into my computer and look at the metrics and look at the numbers. Now, here we're looking at the product discovery report that my team has put together. By the way, every single 7-Figure Product Series video that we do, we put together a product discovery report. If you want this report, which is downloadable for free, along with every other report for every other 7-Figure product video, click the link down below and you can download them for free. Now, here you can see that the average revenue for search term blacklight is generating around $85,000 gross, $25,000 net or profit, and the annual revenue is just over $1 million. The average sale price for this product is around $21.88. Now, the average daily sales is going to be just over $2,800. The average daily units sold are 130. The average monthly sales is 85,000. The average monthly units sold is 38.92. And the average product cost is just at $3.50. Now, if you're wondering how me and my team come up with the product summaries and come up with the data in terms of how many units this product is selling, how much money they're making, what are the average prices, how many sellers are there, and so on and so forth, we use a software called Jungle Scout. There is a link down below. It is discount on junglescout.com. Those guys have been so kind to make sure that they give us the lowest price for our viewers. Now, there are millions and millions of products on Amazon, and the million-dollar question is it a good product? And that's what these softwares do. So here you can see inside of the Chrome extension, you can see that the average revenue is over $50,000. The average monthly sales are around $3,800. The average price is around $21.88. Now, you can also see all the other brands and all the other products that are selling in this category underneath UV flashlight. You can do all this and more utilizing Jungle Scout tool. Like I said, this is going to be a game changer when it comes to finding your first or your next product. Now, moving right along, here you can see the top 10 keywords. And the reason why I like looking at the keywords is because it shows you the search volume. How many people are looking for these products? It also gives you a gauge in terms of how much in demand this product is. Here you can see the top 10 keywords for this niche, for this category, for UV flashlights. Now, you also want to use these top 10 keywords in your listing, in your description, in your bullet points, and most definitely when starting your PPC campaigns. Next, you can see search volume. Now, I like to look at search volume to make sure that products are not trending and products are not seasonal or semi-seasonal. Here you can see that these products sell pretty horizontally over the last several years, and that is a good determining factor that this product has been selling, is selling, and will continue to sell. We want to not only make money when we start listing and launching our product, we want our product to sell for many years to come. Now, we found this product by using this search criteria. Average monthly units sold, 3,000. Minimum average monthly price, $20. We excluded top brands, and the category that we were searching in is tools and home improvement. Now, you don't want to use this search criteria if it doesn't meet your search criteria. All products on Amazon sell, and the key, the secret sauce, is finding a product that is good for you. Not just a product that makes as much money as you want, but a product that meets your risk tolerance and your investment tolerance as well. Moving right along, the actual metrics for this product here is monthly revenue $115,000, reviews over 38,000, rank is number 6 on the first page, and the selling price is $11.99. Product weight is just under half a pound at 0.39 pounds. Now, at the bottom of the PDF, you'll see all of these clickable links from Amazon product page, product image, the actual link to the Jungle Scout extension showing all of the products that we listed, top 10 keywords, search volume, as well as the link to download this PDF. Again, if you want this PDF with all of this data for this product, plus all of the products that we've done in 7-Figure Product Series, click the link down below and download them for free. Now, before we actually open this product up and take a look at the quality of the product, the packaging, and any marketing secrets that are hidden inside, I like to dive into the listing and see any constructive criticism that we can give the listing. That way you guys can learn valuable strategies and tactics from that. So let's go ahead and do that now. Here you can see the product has 38,000 reviews, which means this product is absolutely crushing it. Right now it's 60% off, which is a nice strategy and tactic for moving units. You can always inflate the price. You can actually have a discount or a coupon for it. Now, I will recommend that to do this ethically, you have to actually sell the product at the price. So don't put $30 if you've never sold it at $30, because that's just unethical, and a ton of brands actually end up having to deal with legal issues doing that. So this does work, but whenever you're using any of the marketing strategies like urgency or scarcity, make sure that you're using it ethically. Next, you can see that they have a 100 LED version as well as a 51 LED version as well. Here you can see that the price ends in 1201. Great job. We're always saying never end in 99. So instead of being $11.99 or $12.99, they're ending in 01, which I haven't seen 01 to be completely honest. However, any number except 99 is definitely going to work. Don't ask me why, it just works. Moving right along, you have your bullet points. Here you can actually see they're running a lot of lightning deals, which is very effective. Lightning deals is when your product goes on sale for a lightning period or a lightning amount of time, right? So it's fast, right? So usually it's a day, 2 days, or X amount of units, whichever comes first. That's definitely a good marketing strategy when it comes to increasing your sales, increasing your rank. I love personally doing this. Now, scrolling down, you'll see they do have A+ content. They're talking about care for your family. How did they get started? What makes the products unique? Why do we love what we do? Show some actual usage of the product, how to use the product, or lifestyle images. Down below this, a few usages: pet urine and stain detector, house, hotel, or cleanliness checking, reveal scorpions and plant worms, which is another way, which I didn't know you could use this for those, banknotes ID authentication, resin curing, fluorescent exposure, and blacklight paint reveal, along with a few different ways that you can use the product. And at the bottom, which is some interesting information, it shows the size, it shows that it's compact, and it shows that it's durable. So sometimes I do the ours versus theirs, which is ours versus competitors. You also want to make sure that you showcase the differentiating factors that you have for your product. What makes your product different? Why should they buy yours over other people's? So now we went over the numbers, how much they're generating, how much people in the industry or category are generating. We went and done an audit of their actual listing. Now let's go ahead and dive into the packaging. So right off the bat, it's just a brown corrugated box. Very traditional, very OEM, very basic for the amount of money that this product is generating. Here you have a warranty for 1 year, which is awesome. They have a caution. Whenever there's any type of caution or any type of issue, whether it's causing a fire or can cause harm or a choking hazard for small plastic pieces, you want to make sure that you have that and it is visible and legible on the packaging. If you are unsure or unaware that you have to put some type of disclosure or caution label on your packaging, please refer to Amazon's TOS or Terms of Service. You can also call Amazon and ask them, but it is better to be safe than sorry. Don't just assume because you don't think you need it, you don't need it, or your supplier didn't say you need it, you don't need it, or because you ordered your competitors and they don't have it, you don't need it. Amazon is expecting you to do your due diligence and know how to utilize the platform and be safe, and most importantly, be compliant. So right off the bat, there is no plastic wrapping, there is no tape, just a regular corrugated box. Crush factor is horrible for being an electronic product. Here you can see with one hand, I'm smashing this. I would like a more sturdy, more durable box. You guys know I'm a nerd on crush factor. A lot of people don't talk about it. It's huge. Let's go ahead and get this out. Here we have the flashlight inside some bubble wrap. Not very, I would have liked this inside some type of foam. I would have liked this enclosed in some type of bag. And also I would like the bubble wrap to be a lot thicker. This is very thin bubble wrap. The box quality is very bad. Like here I'm devouring it, like I'm smashing this with one hand. So I don't like crap crush factor, especially for electronic or high ticket products or products that are fragile. Next, we have a very simple generic package stuffer / instruction manual. Here they have the important safety notice. They have instructions on how to use it. They have a caution and a warning. They have some troubleshooting. They have some information about why does my UV light not make urine glow, maintenance, warranty, and limitation of liability. At the bottom, they have support. Now, one thing that I do see, which I do like, is they have the email. They also have the telephone number with the hours of operation, Monday through Friday, 9 to 5 Pacific Standard Time, and they have the phone number. I do like that. I'm constantly preaching about that. You can do this in-house, or you can actually outsource this to companies for between $2 to $5. They also have their website and they have their Facebook page. So they have some cross promotion of different social medias. However, this is very hard to read. It is very tiny. The text is very small and cluttered, and the social media and their important information is very, very small. So I would like to see it a little bit larger and a little bit more predominant. Now, going into the product seems to be a traditional, alloy or metal. It seems durable. It has some grip on here, which feels nice. Has their logo. Looks like the logo is printed on there. It's not etched in there. They do have a wrap on here, which looks like it's for your hand. And I was just doing a quick test to see how sturdy it was. But basically what I thought was going to happen happened. It just came off. It was very, very cheap, very poor. My mind is blown that they're doing so much money with this product. I'll tell you though, it doesn't surprise me that the product's quality is so low, because I made this mistake. I had a top 100 product in the beauty category, and it was making millions of dollars per year. And I had this saying, and a lot of us have this saying and this belief that if it's not broke, don't fix it. We want to increase, market until we hit certain sales. Once we hit certain sales, it's the best. Wrong. Constantly be breaking, constantly be improving, and constantly be auditing your own product. Once a quarter, even if you're crushing it, you should have a meeting with whoever's a part of your company, and you should be auditing your product. Everybody should have your product. Everybody should be reviewing the product, and you should be all coming up with ways that you can improve it. Now, I'm not talking about small little things like changing the text font or adding an additional butterfly to your logo. I'm talking about crush factor. I'm talking about the strength or durability of this. Whatever you can do, possibly making a version where it's rechargeable versus just having batteries, right? Constantly be doing your research to find ways that you can improve this product. That's a big mistake that I made. Now, it looks like at the back, you can screw this open, and this is where you're gonna put your batteries. By the way, it takes 3 AA batteries, which we don't have. However, here goes the insert for where you put the batteries. Plastic, pretty typical. And that will slide back in here, and then you screw the back on. So pretty simple product. Not too much as you can do to improve the flashlight. When it comes to flashlights or products like this, a few things that you can improve is number 1 gonna be the buttons, right? You can improve the buttons. Number 2, any straps or attachments. Number 3, the brightness or the effectiveness. A few ways that you could differentiate or add value. You could add a pouch that this slides into that's Velcro top with a belt loop, so that way if you're going to walk and looking for scorpions or whatever you're doing, if you're using this frequently as maintenance to do checkups like hotels, like it mentioned, you could actually put this in the black container, Velcro lid, and actually have this on your belt. That's one inexpensive way that you could add value, and it's a way to protect this if it's in your car or wherever you're having it. Again, any product like this, I always like to do R&D or research and development on it being rechargeable. That's another thing, but you've seen it. Improve the packaging, improve the bubble wrap that it goes in, improve the strength and durability of this, and definitely improve your marketing and improve your actual package stuffer as well. So there you have it, another episode of 7-Figure Product Series. If you haven't yet, please smash that subscribe button, click the notification bell, and like this video if you learned anything whatsoever. It helps us out more than you could ever imagine. If you're interested in starting or growing your brand or your online Amazon business, down below is a few links that may interest you and help you increase your income, your impact, or your influence. You're also going to see the playlist coming up in just a second for 7-Figure Product Series, our YouTube exclusive series, and what I feel is the most value on the channel. So make sure you check out the rest of the episodes so you can find your first or next 7-figure product. Remember, you're only one product away.